Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're diving into an honest review of the Vivo X200 Pro. This flagship smartphone from Vivo promises top-tier performance, an impressive camera system, and long-lasting battery life. Let's see how it holds up in real-world usage. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. The Vivo X200 Pro features a sleek design with a glass front and back, framed by aluminum alloy. It's both IP68 and IP69 rated, ensuring resistance to dust and water. The device boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixels, supporting 1 billion colors, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, the screen remains visible even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the X200 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, built on a 3nm process. This is paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast data access. The phone runs on Android 15 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 15, offering a clean and user-friendly interface. Photography is a standout feature of the X200 Pro. The rear camera setup includes a 50MP wide-angle primary camera with OIS, a 200MP periscope telephoto lens offering up to 3.7x optical zoom and macro capabilities, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera with a 119 degrees field of view. The front houses a 32MP ultra-wide-angle camera capable of recording 4K videos at 60 FPS. The camera system supports features like 8K video recording, 4K HDR cinematic portrait video, and 10-bit color depth, ensuring high-quality photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The X200 Pro is equipped with a 6000 mAh battery, providing extended usage throughout the day. It supports 90W wired fast charging and 30W wireless charging, allowing for quick power top-ups. In terms of connectivity, the phone offers 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared port. Additional features include an under-display fingerprint scanner and dual stereo speakers, enhancing the overall user experience. While the X200 Pro excels in many areas, it's worth noting that there's no expandable storage, so choose your storage option wisely. Additionally, the price point is on the higher side, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. The Vivo X200 Pro stands out as a flagship smartphone that delivers on performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. If you're in the market for a high-end device that doesn't compromise on features, the X200 Pro is certainly worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.